To buy Ripple for fiat using Guardarian, visit guardarian.com. Ensure your chosen fiat currency is selected and enter the amount you wish to spend. Then select Ripple from the cryptocurrencies on the drop-down menu. Click Buy. Be sure to check the rates taking the service fee and expected exchange rate into account. The expected exchange rate is considered as the rate at the moment of calculation. Guardarian will find the best exchange rate for you. Please consider, depending on market volatility, the final amount can be changed. Before clicking Continue, make sure you have read the terms and conditions. Provide your Ripple wallet address and put your phone number for SMS verification. Enter the SMS code next. The following step is the verification of your identity. Select which method you prefer and take a photo of your document type. The next step is facial verification. Turn on your camera and follow the written instructions. Most verifications are processed within a few minutes, but if you have submitted a document or image that doesn't meet our requirements, we might have to review it manually, and this could cause additional delays. After this, you need to manually make the payment. Use this step to check the details one more time before finally proceeding with the payment. After we receive funds to the bank account, the crypto will be sent to your wallet. That's all. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments or feel free to contact our customer support.